Welcome to the Great Mia Cookoff, Miaverse Justin. Today's challenge is no piece of cake. It's about combining indulgence with nutrition.
The Great Mia Cookoff? What is this? Have you been streaming too many cooking shows again, Justin? Justin? I guess I'm in.
Perfect. Let's see if you can create a meal that's as nutritious as it is delicious. You'll be competing against our fellow chefs at home. Ready to whisk it all?
How about I sprinkle some whole grain brown rice over my cake from our oven odyssey? That's a healthy twist, right? Could that be my secret weapon in the Great Mia Cook-Off?
Interesting strategy. But let's think bigger for the cook-off. It's not just about sneaking in the good stuff, it's about creating a harmony of flavors and health. In today's challenge, you'll learn how to indulge wisely with treats that satisfy both body and mind, and stay within a budget. We'll master the art of making our meals both scrumptiously delicious and brimming with nutrition.
Whoa, you're taking this to the next level. All right, lead the way. I'm ready to whip up some culinary magic and take home the gold.
Chefs, welcome to your first round in the Great Mia Cook-Off, the Great Puzzle. To succeed in this round, we will need to bring balance to our bellies. But what is a balanced diet?
Imagine your diet as a colorful puzzle. Each piece, from a crunchy carrot to a slice of cake, has a place. Grains, a key source of carbohydrates, provides us with energy and essential fibers that help regulate our blood sugar. Whole grains like brown rice and whole wheat are especially nutritious. While veggies also contain carbohydrates, they're especially valued for their high fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Proteins found in foods like chicken and beans are the building blocks of our body. Don't forget about healthy fats too. They're crucial for energy and helping our bodies absorb vitamins. And it's not just about physical energy. The foods we eat can significantly impact our mental well-being too. Reflect on a time when you felt particularly stressed or unfocused after a meal. What did you eat? And how do you think it might have influenced your mood or mental state? Part of being an adult is making food choices that support our overall wellness. Foods can influence our emotions and mental clarity. Nutrient-rich foods can help us feel more focused and uplifted, while a diet high in processed foods with added sugars, salt, and saturated fats might lead to feeling down or sluggish. But treats have their place in our diets too. They bring joy and satisfaction, which is important for our mental health. And trying to avoid treats completely can make us want them even more, which can lead to overindulging. The key? Moderation. Enjoy that slice of cake, but also include fiber-rich whole grains, lean proteins like chicken or tofu, and a variety of fruits and veggies for vitamins and antioxidants. A balanced meal with protein, a quinoa salad, and grilled veggies might also include a small slice of cake for dessert. Now think of your favorite balanced meal and how a sweet treat can fit in without tipping the balance. Excellent work, chefs! You've just crafted a meal that's as nutritious as it is delicious. This balanced approach is exactly what we're looking for in the Great Mia Cook-Off. Judges, take note.
All right, chefs, it's time for the Budget Busters round of the Great Mia Cook-Off. The judges will be looking for balanced meals that don't break the bank. Managing money is a big part of adulting, especially when you're in the kitchen. Can you whip up a feast without emptying your wallet?
When we're new to our adulting journeys, we're often on tight budgets. It can be easy to buy foods out of convenience or because we're not sure if we can afford healthier items. But you can eat a balanced diet without breaking the bank. Let's take a look at some tips and tricks for when you're on a budget. First, let's talk about the power of bulk buying. For lots of foods, buying a bigger package is actually cheaper by weight than several smaller packages. Foods like rice, beans, and lentils are not only affordable in bulk, but they're also nutritious. Lots of these options are also gluten-free and vegan-friendly, like quinoa and chickpeas. They can be the base for many different meals and can last you a long time. Frozen vegetables and fruits are also your friends. They're often cheaper than fresh produce and just as nutritious. Plus, they won't spoil quickly, reducing food waste. Another great option is canned vegetables. They can be a real lifesaver, especially in areas where fresh produce isn't always available or is just too expensive. Canned veggies like tomatoes, corn, and beans are not only budget-friendly, but they also have a long shelf life, meaning they'll stay good for a while. They can be great additions to soups, stews, and casseroles, adding both flavor and nutrients. All right, now let's put our budget-friendly, nutritious ingredients together. Imagine a dish you can create using bulk items, frozen goods, and canned goods. Maybe a hearty bean chili or a vegetable stir-fry? Write down your recipe idea. Impressive work! You've navigated the budgeting battlefield like a true culinary commander. Eating well on a budget isn't just essential for winning the Great Mia Cook-Off, it's smart practice for everyday life too.
Welcome to the final challenge, Nutrition Ninja. This round is all about stealthily boosting the nutritional value of familiar dishes. A master in this category can modify those hard-to-give-up foods like mac and cheese without being detected by picky eaters. Show the judges how you can meld into the shadows and effectively turn everyday favorites into nutrient powerhouses.
Let's figure out how we can transform some dishes we might already know into nutrient-packed meals. Do you have a tip or trick that you use at home? Ever thought of adding spinach to your smoothies? Or maybe black beans in your brownies? It sounds unusual, but these tweaks can boost nutrition while keeping the flavors we love. First up, baking. Did you know you can replace fatty oils or butter with mashed bananas or applesauce? They add less fat and natural sweetness. Perfect for your next batch of muffins or pancakes. Mac and cheese, anyone? Let's sneak in some pureed butternut squash. You can do this in a blender or purchase it canned. It adds creaminess and a punch of vitamins without altering the taste much. Plus, it's a great way to get more veggies in. Ground meat dishes can be more filling and nutritious with a simple addition: oats. They add fiber and make your meatballs extra satisfying. Let's talk spreads and dips. Did you know that by swapping out sour cream or mayo with Greek yogurt in your dressings or dips, you not only cut down on unhealthy fats, but you also boost your protein intake? And for a dairy-free vegan twist, how about using mashed avocado or hummus? These options are not only heart-healthy, but also add a creamy texture and rich flavor. Plus, they cater to diverse dietary preferences. All right, it's your turn to mix it up. Think of a recipe you love. How can you tweak it to boost nutrition? Maybe add some lentils to your soup, use whole grain pasta, or spread avocado instead of butter on your toast. You truly are a nutrition ninja. Your clever twists not only pack a nutritional punch, but also keep the flavors we all love. That's how you win in both health and taste.
And that's the final bell for the Great Mia Cook-Off. Mia vs. Justin, you've shown incredible skill blending taste with health in every dish.
Justin, I should have known it was you. Payback for when I pranked you with that creepy phone voice, huh? Well, I guess we did learn a lot.
You there, at home.
Now it's your turn to shine. Share your own creative, balanced dishes with us. Let's see how you've tackled the cook-off challenges in your kitchens. Who knows, your dish might just be the next highlight in our cook-off series. Until then, keep your aprons and spatulas ready for our next adulting adventure.
Hey!